What is urban gardening? Urban gardening is where people practice cultivation, mainly of food, in and around urban areas. Basically, it is the traditional cultivation of crops, but in urban centers. With urbanization, and since more and more people would like to do their farming where they are, urban gardening is considerably being taken up and has been a successful alternative, a shift from the traditional thinking that the cultivation of crops can only be done in the rural areas. Urban agriculture, urban farming, or urban gardening is the practice of cultivating, processing, and distributing food in or around urban areas. Urban agriculture can also involve animal husbandry, aquaculture, agroforestry, urban beekeeping, and horticulture. These activities occur in peri-urban areas as well, and peri-urban agriculture may have different characteristics. The growth of plants in urban areas comes in many forms, and is influenced by various factors such as land space, topography, capital requirements, and the type of plants. Urban gardening can, therefore, be done differently, and includes aspects such as community gardens, urban farms, and aquaponics or hydroponics programs. Urban gardening is hence a venture that helps the urban communities in social and economic ways by stimulating the local economy, and also serves as an effective means of securing a family's food security. Things such as containers, old tires, barrels, and used buckets, shoes, watering cans, window boxes, or kiddie pools can be used to grow food crops, fruits, plants, or flowers. Importance of urban gardening. Urban agriculture gives students an opportunity to try things out at home and more so, put their class lessons into practice. Through urban gardening, they easily connect their lessons to real-world gardening, and how it is done, thereby increasing their stock of knowledge about cultivating plants. Urban gardening increases the land area utilized for agriculture, thereby increasing food security, as the world population soar and arable land constantly facing depletion. Urban gardening can make a city's economic base expand by creating economic activities through the production, packaging, and selling opportunities for food, vegetable, herbs, and fruit products. Tips for sustainable urban gardening. 1. Pick your plants correctly. 2. You have to consider the sun. 3. Consider your space. 4. Overwatering kills. 5. Consider vertical gardening. 6. Planting right. 7. Choosing your soil. 8. Watering hours. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow.